In this video, I will be disassembling this 2011 Lexus RX Halogen headlight. I will begin by removing the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. Here we can see that the main bezel is connected to the lens using a few Phillips head screws. I will begin by removing this top reflector. Next, I will go to the rear and we will turn this adjuster bolt to the left. This is a 5/16 head bolt. Next, I'm going to remove the two clips holding the bracket in place. With the two clips released, we can now simply pull the projector unit out of the light. There is one Phillips head screw holding on the turn signal reflector. At this point, the housing is empty. In order to release the bezel from the projector, we must go to the back. We must release the clips holding the bezel in place. There are four Phillips head screws holding the projector in place. At this point, the headlight is fully disassembled. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.